Are you looking for the best billiard gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 billiard gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Kamui QuickDry Billiard Glove. Kamui is renowned for their high-quality billiard chalk and their Q-tips, but their pull gloves are also very good. The QuickDry Kamui billiard glove is designed primarily to reduce sweating in humid pool halls. To achieve this, the fabric is made to soak up perspiration, while the fingerless design allows for greater airflow. As a result, your hand is able to remain cool and dry throughout an entire match. In addition, the anti-slip pads on the palm allow for excellent grip on practically any table. Another benefit of the material Kamui has used in producing this glove is its flexibility. The fabric will conform to the shape of your hand, meaning that the glove remains comfortable even after long play sessions. To ensure that you get a perfect fit, this Kamui billiard glove comes in small, large and XL sizes. Each size is suitable for both men and women. Because the Japanese company has used high-quality premium-grade materials in producing this glove, it's quite expensive. Another downside to the QuickDry is the fact that it's only available for right-handed shooters. However, this glove quite durable, especially when compared to the Molinari Fingerless glove. If you're looking for something super comfy that'll last a long time, the Kamui QuickDry is a great option. At number 2. Molinari Fingerless Glove. If you are a professional pool player, you then need not look any further, as this pool glove is a perfect choice, and with it, you will always have excellent control over the pool stick. This billiard glove has an upper material that is smooth and nice, hence enabling you to always take your shots with utmost consistency. Furthermore, its fabric provides you with an identical performance each time you take a shot, and you never need to worry about what this billiard glove does after striking the cue ball. Thanks to this, you get to put more focus on the game, which is vital if you want to win the game of pool. Integrated into this glove's palm surface is extra tackiness that ensures your bridge hand never slips anytime you play powerful shots. Additionally, the fingerless design allows you to have an improved grip on the felt, as well as you have an adequate amount of air circulating inside your glove. Therefore, this glove does a superb job of minimizing the levels of perspiration. This billiard glove comes in 9 different colors, and is available for both left and right hand players. However, before buying this pool glove, you should first make sure that it is a perfect fit. Apart from that, this glove is an ideal choice as it allows you impeccable control over the pool stick, thanks to the tacky pad, which provides you with an excellent grip. At number 3. Anser M050912. The Anser glove is a fantastic representation of how a budget product can offer great quality. Whilst not as professional as the Longoni or Predator gloves, this is still a decent breathable, elasticated glove that can offer a vast increase in control. The price point is the most attractive aspect of this glove. It is well suited for all skill level players, while low cost makes it especially interesting for new players, or anyone simply looking to try out a glove. This is a reversible glove, meaning it can be used in both left and right hands. With an exposed middle fingertip, ring and pinky finger, this glove offers maximum flexibility to your bridge hand. The glove is made of a very similar material to the Predator glove, with a lycra fabric and an adjustable Velcro wrist strap. The Anser M050912 is an excellent choice for those on a strict budget looking for their first serious billiard glove. At number 4. IBS Billiard Gloves. IBS 3 Fingers Billiard Gloves Snooker Q Professional 4 Colors Spandex. This is essentially a cheap, but very effective, nylon spandex option. The material is nice and stretchy, but not too elasticated, meaning, it fits really nicely. There's a little bit of elastic in the wrist, helping to keep it in place and prevent it shifting as you play. Another benefit of this option is how nice the material feels. You think that this was a much more expensive glove, it looks and feels like a higher priced option. Plus, this stuff is reasonably durable. However, the issue with this billiard glove is it can be a tiny bit slippery, especially on older felt that's more worn down. This does have a benefit though, the cue moves incredibly fast when shooting. Also note, this isn't a fingerless option. This is part of the reason it's hard to maintain your traction as you plant your hand.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.